This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you're signed into the same account on every device. That consistency is the foundation. Next, enable notifications and background sync so events can push through. Without sync, you'll miss duplicates. Once done, pick the app and the specific event type you want to reuse the same notification for. Make sure to note whether the platform treats notifications per device or per account. This determines the steps that follow and avoids wasted toggles. You now define the notification logic so duplicates collapse into one. Create or assign a consistent identifier, tag, or channel for that event. The system uses that key to update rather than create new alerts. Then set priority and suppression rules so urgent items still break through. Once configured, determine timing and repeat behavior. Do you want one consolidated alert or a single ongoing one that updates? Test with one event so you can observe update versus new creation behavior. You finish by testing. Trigger the event and watch every device to confirm it updates the same notification instead of spawning new ones. If you see duplicates, make sure identifiers match exactly and that sync timing isn't creating race conditions. Adjusting order or adding a short debounce can help. If notifications stop arriving or won't update, clear app cache, reauthorize the account, and reapply the tag. That single troubleshooting tip, recheck identifiers and sync, solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.